How to fix Windows 11 lagging or slow problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix Windows 11 lagging or slow problem. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Here you simply need to scroll down and look for File Explorer or Windows Explorer. Right click on it and click on Restart button. Once you have done that, you can easily cross mark the window. And now click on the Windows search icon at bottom left corner. Now search for Settings. Click on Open button. From this left hand menu, click on Apps. Now choose the Startup and you simply need to turn off all the startup application by turning off the button. And with that, you are good to go. You can easily fix Windows 11 lagging or slow problem. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.